Good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. So it's a wonderful Friday night, and I'm glad that you are joining with us. No, after a full week ahead, so we're going down to the weekend. But before that, let's tune in for our special webinar tonight. So again, welcome everyone. No, so it's been a while that I've been doing this now live na webinar, but today is a very very special night, no? Kasi I know with all the things that are happening, imagine it's already July. So napapatigil na tayo ngayon, everyone, and napapaisip natin, kumusta na ba yung goals ko for the year, lalo na yung financial goals natin. Pero before ka ma-dishearten, no? Before ka parang mapaisip, nasa na nga ba ako? I want to again, no, welcome you. And of course, thank you for joining us tonight in our free webinar entitled How to Make Money Online, even if you are a beginner. So, if ikaw ba to, you are looking for real ways to earn extra income from home. Alam naman natin na okay that we are saving. Saving is good. But increasing your income is way better. So if you're this person, join me and our special guest, very special guest that will be joining us later, no, as we teach to you in this free webinar, legit ways to earn online. May it be from freelancing, agency building, affiliate marketing, as well as step-by-step guide for beginners. No? Paano nyo ba gagawin yan? Kasi syempre, it's all about execution, and of course, fastest way to get your first $1,000. Dollars, ano? So, hindi peso. And of course, last but not the least is real stories from people. So, if you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Gwen Sanmorin. So, with almost a decade of experience in finance and a CPA as a financial planner. So, I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to become generational wealth builders. So again, welcome everyone. So if you are tuning in and may naiisip kayo no, ng mga friends or family members ninyo na sa tingin nyo will also benefit from this webinar, tag them, no? Or later, if you're watching the, kumbaga, no, yung recorded version na nito, send this video link to them. Para lahat tayo, di ba, paangat. Ayan. So again, welcome everyone. So again, thank you so much, no? And this is a very, very exciting night. Kasi sabi ko nga, meron tayong special guest, no? Ay, hindi lang ako yung mag-share ng insights natin tonight. So, kung ready na kayo and excited, ayan. So, kindly tune in, no? And we will start formally our webinar. So, baka nagtataka kayo, no, na Ma'am Gwen, it's been a while that you have did a live webinar. So, paano ba yan nangyari? Bakit ka ba bumalik? Ganyan, no? So, actually, hindi naman talaga siya nakaplan. Pero, let me tell you a story. No, bakit nga ba we have this webinar tonight? So, ngayon, in 2021 kasi, at the height of the pandemic, I met this young girl who reached out to me and said, sabi niya, Ma'am Gwen, I'm a student. Actually, wala pa nga po akong work. No, I want to learn more about financial literacy. Hindi ako mayaman, and I know how hard it is, no, to work, no, kasi ako lang din yung inaasahan ng family ko. And sabi niya, Ma'am Gwen, I will be graduating soon and I want to start my finances right. So, even with her situation, no, kasi when I do coaching din naman, of course, it's also for them to help them, no, and take steps. So even like that, ang ginawa ko pa rin is I said yes because she asked for my help. So we met, I think for over an hour din yon. And totoo yung sinabi niya, no? She has no income, nakikita rin lang sila. Yung parents niya wala pang stable work. So ngayon, I asked her, um, and I asked her, sabi ko, "So anong plano mo?" So sabi niya is, "Ito po yung plano ko, Ma'am Gwen, na after graduation, hahanap talaga ako ng trabaho." And sabi ko, "Tama yan, no? Humanap ka ng magandang trabaho that pays you well because let's face it, in your situation, no, that is the only way that your family and you will have a better life." So, graduate siya after and we didn't talk, no? And now, after some years, she reached out to me. So sabi niya, Ma'am Gwen, meron na akong trabaho. Sabi niya, ready na ako execute lahat ng pinagplanuhan natin, lahat ng pinlano natin nung 2021. So, ngayon, we sat down again and sabi ko, sige, lista natin yan. No? Ano ba nangyari sa finances natin and all. And then, nagulat ako na this is her first job. First job niya, she is already making at least 90,000 pesos a month. So sabi ko, wait lang, nung graduate ako, hindi ko naranasan yan. No? So sabi ko, ano nangyari? What is your job? Ano yung pinaka naging story niya? And sabi niya, I got accepted as a freelance designer or tech in a US company. So, this story might be also be familiar to you, no? For sure, marami kayong friends, no, na nag-start mag-freelance na rin or also to have another source of income online. And this topic is really close to my heart because I've seen it, no? I've seen it right in front of my eyes that a lot of my clients were able to turn their lives upside down because of online jobs. No, kaya nga when our guest speaker reached out to me, I immediately said yes. Sabi niya, Ma'am Gwen, I want to add more value to share. How can more people also do this? No? And if you're gonna ask me, Ma'am Gwen, so you said that this turn the lives of your clients around, but we want to know more. Why is it really important that we find other sources of income or even we increase our income? Kasi if you have been following me for a while, no, I'm not a supporter of decrease your expenses, ganyan. Kasi, Diyos ko, ang saya mabuhay. No? So, if there's a way for us to experience more of life, the life that God wants us, I believe that it's also increasing our income so that we can experience more, but at the same time, to give more. And I believe that if you want, no, to really have a better financial life, increasing your income is key. Because, why? Because there are three things that won't stop, even if you increase your income or not. There are three things in life that won't stop. So, ano-ano ba yan three things na yaman, Gwen? So, una, inflation will not stop. So, for sure, ramdam na ramdam nyo ngayon, no, na ang inflation, grabe, no? Pag pumunta ka ngayon ng grocery, I remember before, you can fill up yung basket na blue pag sa SM ka for 500 pesos. Now, kaya mo na yung hawak mo lang. Hawak mo lang yung pinamili mo. And that is the picture ng inflation that our money, its capacity to buy goes down. No, kaya the inflation, we should keep up with the inflation and increase our income more than the inflation. Number two, ano pa ba yung hindi magsa-stop is our expenses, no, will continue to increase. It will not stop as you go through different stages of life. So simple na lang, 'di ba? If you are single right now and then you get married and then you have kids, so the education, the additional, of course, kakain yung anak mo, magsuschool yan, mag-uniform yan. So, if you're going to go through the stages of life, talagang pa-increase yung expenses natin. And it won't stop, no? And then pangatlo is, of course, our dreams won't stop getting bigger and bigger. And actually, guys, there's nothing wrong about it. Kung dati okay ka na sa Oppo, Ngayon gusto mo na iPhone, 'di ba? And for me, I don't see anything wrong with that as long as you also try to keep up, no? As your dreams increases, your hard work should also increase. And one of the things that I remember this, the young girl that I shared to you, no? So sabi niya, Ma'am Gwen, I feel like sobrang, kumbaga, yung dreams niya daw is parang sobrang high, ganon. So sabi niya, parang nandito daw. So sabi ko, ang dreams naman natin, kung nandito ka, mataas talaga yan. No? Pero hindi yan imposible. Magiging imposible lang yan if yung hard work mo nandito at hindi lumilevel up yung hard work mo sa dreams mo. So, let's face it, our dreams will get higher and higher. So, our hard work, which of course no impacts our income, should also level up. So, yun guys, no, that is just a brief reminder for us why the things that we are going to talk about tonight is very, very important. So, I know you are very excited to know more about how you can also experience and do this. And it's really my honor, no, and pleasure to introduce our speaker tonight. So, our speaker tonight is none other than Kirk Roldan. So he is a globally recognized SEO strategist later, no? So maybe Sir Kirk, explain mo naman yung SEO na yan. Ayan, seasoned entrepreneur and founder of Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions, which is one of the Philippines' largest and most trusted SEO agencies. So with over 14 years of digital marketing experience, Kirk has empowered one almost no, over 1,000 clients and mentored a new generation of SEO professionals across Southeast Asia and beyond. And since launching his agency in 2014, Kirk has helped scale businesses through organic traffic growth, content-driven strategies, and technical SEO that drives measurable results. And his leadership has built over 100 plus high performing in house SEO teams, positioning him as a key force in the region's digital evolution. Ang galing. No? And Kirk is the founder of the World of Search Conference, a groundbreaking event exploring the future of search and digital growth. And he has also spoken on major industry events such as the SEO Mastery Summit in Vietnam, the SEO Con Forum in Bali, and SAS Con in Philippines this 2025. And also at Sigma Asia 2025, Kirk will reveal his SEO launch blueprint for iGaming brands, teaching how to rank before launch using H domains, avoid penalties, and scale fast with a proven ROI focused strategy tailored for competitive digital markets. Wow! So, again, with no further ado, let me introduce to you and invite on the stage Sir Kirk Roldan. Okay. Hi! Hi, Sir Kirk! Good evening! Yan, hello, hello.
Ayun,
Okay.
naka-mute pala ako. Hi, Miss Gwen! Good evening, kamusta?
Good evening. Good
Na-mute
evening.
ko pala.
Ayan.
Oo.
Yes, very excited
Napakahaba
for
ng napakahaba ng bio ko. Sorry about that. Thank you so
no
much po for the
worries,
great
Sir Kirk, no?
introduction.
Yes, and it's our pleasure, no? And of course, I know yung mga nanonood din sa atin. It's our pleasure, no, to have you tonight. And how are you? Saan ka nga ulit, Sir Kirk, ngayon?
I'm doing good po and I'm based in Surigao City, Mindanao.
Wow,
Mindanao po.
talaga.
Yes.
Buti na lang may Facebook Live, no?
Yes, buti
So
na lang
we
may
can
Facebook
reach
Live.
we can reach others. Ayan. And
Totoo.
again, Sir Kirk, no, ako personally, I'm very excited, no, to know more about what are going to share tonight, no, and at the same time, ano yung mga nanonood din, even the live, the recorded, no. Um very excited na sila how they can also earn money online. And later, guys, no, if you're watching this video and you want to learn more, Sir Kirk, then he will share the details how you can reach out to him, to his community. Kasi, di ba, Sir Kirk, it's all about execution din. No? Hindi lang tayo
That's
webinar. But
true. That's true
you
po.
will also provide and you have a special gift, no, to our viewers for tonight. Right, Sir Kirk?
Yes, yes. Abangan nyo yun,
Yeah.
guys. So, ask questions,
Yes.
engage, and yeah, execute talaga is very important, no?
Yes, okay. So again, so I'm giving the floor to you, Sir Kirk. Yan, take it away.
All right. Miss Gwen, thank you so much no for today. Appreciate your time, your value as well. And yung story mo kanina, napakaganda. Na-amazed ako doon. And guys, by the way, if you have any questions, just drop it down dito sa comment box kasi later on we have a Q&A session where we will answer your questions, and please ask me questions. Ako na talaga yung magpi-please guys kasi I'm sure may mga nanonood dito later on or ngayon sa live but nanonood lang, they don't take actions, no? So please ask me questions kasi I know you need this. Okay? You need this and you need me. And you need Miss Gwen as well sa mga live trainings niya. So guys, please take it seriously. Okay? Sa mga training ko, ano, sayang din kasi guys, no? I've been there before. Yeah, same thing to what Miss Gwen said earlier, na 14 plus years na ako sa industry na to or maybe 15 years now kasi yung bio na yon like couple of months ago na. So, yeah, paminsan lang to, sayang yung opportunity and I want you to be inspired and also apply this, okay? So, without further ado, let's start guys. But yeah, ask me questions, okay? Ask me questions. This is very important. Now, let me share you my screen. Let me know, guys, if you can see my screen right now. Let me know, please. Miss Gwen, can pa-accept po ng ano, please po ng screen ko para mag-show po siya. Uh, Yun. Miss Gwen, can you try to accept the or click the ayun. Yun, thank you so much po for doing that, no? So audible naman ako guys, no? Okay naman yung audio ko. All right, okay naman. All right. Perfect, perfect. So guys, by the way, again, sayang yung opportunity na to if you're not going to apply or use this, okay? So ito pa lang, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. If you can see my screen right now, how to make your first $1,000 online, a beginner's guide. You know, first page pa lang, nakikita nyo na dyan yung amount. No, hindi yan $1,000 but this is $4,000. US dito guys, so makikita nyo. So the reason why I show you that, okay, just to brag, that you will also do or follow what I'm going to share here, no? Just to brag and you will also follow what I'm doing, okay? So, nasa sa inyo na guys, if para sa iyo anong meaning ng brag na sinabi ko, but just follow this. Kasi bihira lang tong mga trainings na to guys eh. And yeah, every time I share knowledge to a community like here, I want to build value talaga sa inyo. So please follow this. Kasi isang client pa lang nito guys, kung makikita nyo, $4,050 in one client lang yan, no? Ayan. So I use Wise here. Kung makikita nyo, baka hindi familiar yung iba. So this is a Wise account. Mayroong pangalan ko dyan just to give you proof. So how to make your first $1,000? Paano ko nagsimula? I'm going to share that as well para makita or malaman nyo kung saan ako nagsimula. And then another client here, makikita nyo $4,162 just for one client again. So ito 4,050, 4,162, no? And another one is $2,000. Okay ba? Okay ba, 'di ba? Okay. So yun yung first slide ko na pinakita sa inyo. Okay? Bahala na kayo kung anong sasabihin nyo. Nagbabrag ba ako? Yeah, that's true. Binabrag ko yan for you to follow what I'm doing, guys. Okay? Sayang kasi, sayang. My goal here is to give value to everyone. So this is a beginner's guide everyone can follow. Okay? But before that, let me share you my story. Iksian ko lang kasi palagi ko tong sinishare sa mga story ko, sa mga live ko. But this is a community by Miss Gwen. So I'm going to share here baka kasi merong makikita nito and ma-inspire din. Okay? So my name is Kirk Roldan. I'm a nursing graduate, guys. But nag-graduate lang ako pagka nursing and then never ako nakapag-take ng licensure examination because I believe if I'm going to take a licensure examination, magpapas talaga ako. Mapapasa ko yon and then I'm going to abroad. But I don't want that to happen, no? I don't want that to happen. This was me. I was 6 years old here. Ito, nursing student. No, I guess this is graduation. But after nun, I look for a way on how to make money online. No? I look for a way on how to make money online because I believe you can make money at home without going anywhere or going abroad. Because I don't want to leave my family behind, no? And gusto ko din baguhin 'yan sa ibang mga family members or sa ibang family or to anyone na nakalakihan natin that we follow the system na kapag nag-graduate ka, mag-abroad ka. Yan kasi yung sistema, di ba? Yan yung sistema na nangyayari until now. So, yan yung gusto kong baguhin. That's why I start to look for a way on how to make money online. So, I started in Odesk. Now it's Upwork. Tama ba? So, it's Odesk before, way back 2011. And I I still remember the time. Itong screenshot to, hindi to yung nagsisimula pa ako. Wala akong screenshot that time. But I remember this was taken 2011. So 2012. Yeah, I guess this time I already earned my first million in freelancing. So I started from there, Odesk, nag-apply ako. The goal is the only goal that time is to make money online, walang iba. Yeah, that's true guys, no? The only goal is to make money online, walang iba, walang goals, walang motivation. I didn't think about the future of my business or future of myself as well that time. The only way is to make money. Yun lang talaga, no? And that is a wrong mindset, no? And kung meron mang tao dito na kapareha kong mindset, you need to change that, guys. Kasi hindi ko maisip-isip dati, no? But ngayon I recall and na ano ko yung storya. I still remember, hindi pala ibig sabihin na meron kang pera, hindi nauubos 'yan. 'Di ba tama? So that was 2012. Grabe, kumikita ng 1,000,000, 'di ba? But nauubos. Paano 'yun? Kasi nga the goal is to make money. 'Yun lang. Walang iba. So hindi ibig sabihin marami kang pera, hindi nauubos 'yan. So, wala pang motivation, wala pang self-development, wala pang mga nagtuturo. Kasi 2011 nung nagsisimula ako guys, napakahirap yung ano ko dati. Napakahirap yung online. Kasi ngayon grabe, maraming nagtuturo ng freelancing, VA, SEO, ganun. But dati, nako, konti lang. Ewan ko kung meron pa sa Pilipinas that time. But konti pa lang nagtuturo. So, bumibili pa ako ng course kahit saan-saan, no? And mayroon akong isang course na binili 30,000. But the bad thing that happened before is $1, one response every 1 month. Imagine you buy a 30,000 PHP course and then yung reply is nakukuha mo every month sa chat pa or sa email. Or hindi sa chat, sa email. Napakatagal, parang sinaunang panahon pa, di ba? So that was happened before, no? I still remember my first client, sinabi ko pa doon sa Odesk yun eh. I applied every single day for 1 month, pero no one responded to my application. Because I just said there, hire me because I'm an expert. Even though I don't have any experience in SEO. Yun lang. So, fake it till you make it that time eh. No? And then, And walang nag-reply after a month, 1 month. Sinabi ko sa kaibigan ko yung nag-refer sa akin doon sa Odes, Kirk, gawa ka ng resume. So, gumawa naman ako. So, nag-apply ulit ako every single day for 1 month. Ngayon, after nung, I guess, second week or third week ata yon, someone responded to my application and I said to her name is Hillary, sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko lang matuto talaga ng what is SEO. Kahit wag mo na akong swelduhan. But the good thing, binigyan niya ako ng $1 per hour. And it started from there. No, $1 and then 10 hours a week. So imagine, $10 meron ka ng extra kita. Kasi nung nag-aaral ako sa college, wala akong extra money eh. So meron siguro 10 peso extra. Kasi dati, na-remember ko pa, 50 pesos a day. So 50 peso, back and forth yon, 10 peso each, I believe. Nauubos yun. So paminsan may 5 peso, 10 peso. So wala talagang extra. No, kahit snack, wala. Pamasahe lang talaga. So, $10 a week, grabe. 'Di ba? Malaki na 'yon. Meron ka ng kano ba? $10 per week, nasa 500 plus na, 'di ba? So, it's already a good money, no? Yeah. It's very important as well, guys, na you need to learn the basics. You need to follow the coaches. Kasi ito guys, importante to, no? Para hindi mangyari yung mga nangyayari sa mga kakilala ko. May isa akong tinuruan, no? He come here to the house, I teach him how to do SEO, and then finalo niya konti, and then binigyan ko siya ng mga tools and everything. But then again, right now, or hindi ngayon, like last year, iba na yung ginagawa niya. Hindi na siya, binigyan ko talaga ng trainings, napakarami yung binigay ko sa kanya. Finalo niya siguro saglit, but after noon, hindi na niya, or wala nang update. He changed his profile and everything. So, in short, hindi niya talaga winork out yung binigay ko. Sayang guys, napakasayang kasi sinabi ko dati, walang nagtuturo dati. Tapos ngayon, merong someone na tuturuan ka, pumunta ka sa bahay namin, binigyan ka ng training, wala kang ginawa. Sayang. Sayang kasi guys, napaka-importante yung mga panahon na yun eh. Napaka-importante itong mga ganito eh. Lalo na pag nakapupunta ka sa house ng mentor mo. Nako, kahit nasa Mindanao ako, last 2021, pumunta ko talaga sa Maynila just to meet my mentor in e-commerce. Bumiyahe pa ako, magbayad pa ako ng training just to meet him. But ito, libre na to. So, yun talaga, sayang. Napakasayang. And this was my first office before. Sa room, kung makikita mo dyan, no? Wala akong table. Can't afford the table but meron akong 3 PC. At ito na, bumili ako. Yan yung background before sa Odes. Yan, Upwork na ngayon. So, ayun, I guess we need to start, no? The truth about making money online. Heto yung maraming taong, or heto yung mga nasa stuck, no? Sa paggawa ng pera online. Most people wait until they're ready and never start. Okay? Guys, napaka-importante to. Kasi even though tuturuan kita paano kumita ng $1,000, if you are not ready, walang mangyayari sa iyo, no? Walang mangyayari sa iyo if you are not ready. Okay? Because this is a long-term game. Hindi to one time na pag gagawin mo ngayon, one month from now, 2 months from now, kikita ka na. Hindi. More or less, siguro, 6 months, hindi ka pakikita kung ganun ka katamad. So, do it right now after this training. Follow nyo to. This is very important. Okay? Never wait, guys. Yung iba kasi, may kakilala ko, they want to have this PC, no? They want to have a website para magsimula. They want to have a resume, no? They want to have a training, they want to buy courses bago magsimula. Pero yung problem lang pala is to start, no? So this is very important. $1,000 isn't millions, but it's proof of concept. For me, $1,000 and 1 million, 1 million peso, they are the same. Why? Kasi kung kaya mong ma-hit yung $1,000, pwede mong ma-hit yung 1 million eh. Yeah, pwede. Sa ngayon, marami nang pwede nating gawin. Tools, AI, no, maraming nagtuturo. I don't think wala kang opportunity online. Meron, okay? You only need one paying skills, one offer and one client to generate $1,000. Okay? Isang client lang, pwede na 'yon, no? Offering too many services at once, hindi siya maganda. Okay? Kasi number one, you don't master the digital marketing field or craft. But then again, you offer different services, no? So hindi ka pa nga master yung isa, ina-offer mo na lahat. Wag. Pwede ka focus muna sa isa, okay? Consuming too much information, consuming a lot of training, pero wala kang ginagawa. Or may ginagawa ka man, pero once a week or once a month. Hindi ganun, guys. You need to think of this. You do it, you do it fast. Okay? Execution and do it fast. Yun lang. Execution, do it fast. Time yung isang kalaban mo dito eh. Like kami dito sa company, if hindi or if meron kaming gagawin or meron kaming plano, i-execute namin yun. Bang! And then we will do it fast. Kasi if hindi yan nag-work, palitan ng strategy, hanggang sa makuha namin kung ano yung nag-work. Okay? Alright. Now let's proceed. So, ito din yung isa sa mga nakikita kong problem sa mga nag-freelancing ngayon, bakit hindi pa sila kumikita online? Because they don't know how to sell. They don't know how to make an offer. Okay? So anyone, what is offer? What is an offer? Okay, ano ba yung offer na yan? Maraming nami-misinterpret yung offer. Okay? Some of them, they said, okay, magbenta ako ng SEO. Okay, magbenta ako ng VA. Okay, gagawin ko to para kumita. It's not an offer. Okay? Yung iba din, gagawa ng maraming content, mag-ads kasi they think that is an offer. Yung iba mag-charge ng malaki, yung iba mag-charge less because they think it's an offer. No, it's not. Okay? O yung iba pumupunta sa freelancing site, pumupunta sa mga freelancing site and then nag-apply and then nag-offer ng $5 per hour, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They think that is an offer. But it's not. Okay? For me, the offer is the result they can get from working with you. Diba? Kahit ano man yan. Let's say, for example, yung task mo is VA and then nagde-data entry ka. Ano yung ma-deliver mo in a month or in a week? That's the result. If nag-ads ka, kumita yung client mo a year or in a month, that is an offer. Okay? Ano ba yung makukuha nila sa'yo? Hindi yung service kasi that's default eh. That's how it goes eh. But the results of what they are getting if they want to partner with you, if they will trust you for these services. Okay? You need to understand that because if not, parang generalist lang tayo, nakapariho sa mga gatoong freelancer na they don't think or they don't know how to make an offer. Kaparehos tayo sa iba. Yes, hindi naman siya magiging well, for me, that is an issue, that is a problem kasi we have thousands of freelancers right now. Gusto mo maging pareho sa kanila? Okay, sige, mag-compete kayo. Matagal ka lang kakita, matagal ka lang makapaghanap ng client. 'Di ba? How about be unique? Be yourself. Think about outside the box. Gawa ka ng hindi pa nila ginagawa. And that's how you get clients. All right? So, Pwede mo tong gawin, no? This is my cover before sa Facebook profile ko. I help websites and GMBs rank #1 on Google and get more customers and sales with my proven SEO strategies. Na bakit ganito? Kasi so the the people understand, or my followers and friends or colleagues, they understand kung ano or ano yung mga ginagawa ko online, sino-sino ba yung mga tinutulungan ko, ano ba yung pwede kong mabigay sa kanila, no? Ano ba yung ginagawa kong strategy para makapag-result? Okay? So you need to do it. If offer mo is for VA in general, you need to craft something like this. So this is the formula, guys. Okay? This is the formula. So dito sa ibaba, makikita mo, let's break down the offer. Okay? Who is it for? Para kanino yan? So kung makikita mo dito, websites and GMB. Yung mga website ba? Like kirkroldan.com, kirkroldansu.com, ganun. Yan yung offer. O yan yung who is it for? Para kanino? Okay? Second, what do they want? Ano ba gusto ng mga prospects mo? So, in our part or in our field sa SEO, yung gusto ng mga local businesses owners is they want to get more customers, they want to improve their sales. Okay? Yan yung what do they want. Third, how do they get it? Papaano? Papaano nila makukuha yung result na yon? Okay? With, ito, proven SEO strategies. So, yan yung formula, guys. I-follow mo to. Ba't gagawin mo to? Kasi, para you are targeting or you target with the right people. Next mong gagawin, optimize mo yung profile mo sa Facebook. Meron akong different training dito, guys, no? Di ko na siya iti-train dito para iba-iba yung mga video na makikita nyo. Kasi i-compile ko to lahat eh. Puntahan nyo yung, yung School of Prophets. Kasi para doon continue tayo ng knowledge. Okay? So, sa mga interested, baka malaman kung paano mag-SEO. Marami kaming i-upload, guys, na training videos. Punta ka lang dito sa schoolofprophets.academy. Ayan, ito yung URL or link. No, kasi guys, marami kaming training. So ito yung sa ilalim. Oops, hindi pala yan. Ayan, School of Prophets. Punta kayo dito, guys. It's very important. Check nyo yung mga trainings namin dito. Marami kaming mga training na ilalabas pa. So classroom, punta lang kayo dito. Ayan, 500k PHP monthly method. So check nyo to, guys. Hindi pa napuno to kasi konti pa yung mga videos dito, but we are adding a lot of content here. May i-add pa kami dito. Yung hindi lang kasi itong community na to pala, guys, if you are interested to make money online, it's either freelancing agency or SEO, punta lang kayo dito. Tapos magagawa kami ng isang video dito. Okay, gagawa kami ng isang video dito about international dropshipping. If you want to learn how to do e-commerce internationally, puntahan nyo yun kasi matuto ka doon how to do international dropshipping, merong SEO training, merong Google Ads training, merong scaling training. Andun, guys. Okay? So, tingnan nyo yun. Monday pa siguro ma-add yung training na yun kasi weekend bukas wala kaming office. So, yung EA ko sa Monday pa siya available. So, follow nyo to, guys. This is very important. Okay? This is very important. Next, ito, productization. So, you need to productize. Free po ba diyan sa Academy? Yes, this is free, Eldritch. Yeah, I want to build more value. Yun nga sa promise ko kay Coach Gwen. No, I want to build a community where people can go there for free. Tapos na ako sa mga courses na dati kasi marami akong binibenta eh. Courses, nagbebenta ako ng coaching, consultation. Tapos na ako sa mga panahon 'yon. So right now, gumawa ako ng community for people na nangangailangan ng tulong. Siguro may dagdag akong paid course doon pero wala akong iniisip ngayon eh. Kasi gusto ko mag-build ng School of Prophets. Yung goal ko talaga nun is to build a school here in Surigao City, in our place, no? So kaya tinitest ko siya online. And para din marami tayong maabangan mga training. So productization, you need to productize. Ano ba yung productization na yan? Okay, refers to the process of developing or altering a process, idea, skills, or service to make it marketable for sale to the public. So ibig sabihin nun, if meron kang Facebook ads na service, wag mo i-offer yung buo, yung whole Facebook ad service. Bali, pipili ka lang doon kung ano yung iba-bundle mo together, no? Iba-bundle mo together, like for example, um, strategies and running the campaign, no? Or mag-iisip ka kung ano ba talaga yung mas sikat doon, or ano ba talaga yung hinahanap ng mga tao, or mas nagsasale ka sa service nila. Think about that. Kasi if ipo-provide mo lahat, iba din 'yon, no? Naka-bundle 'yan, naka-package. But the productization is different. Like in SEO, for example, SEO is napakataas, napakalaki na 'yun. But hindi namin i-offer yung overall SEO kasi napakarami. Pipili lang kami ng service sa SEO tapos iba-bundle namin siya yung mga sikat na service. Kasi since they are sikat, maraming bumibili nun, syempre, madami ding makakakita, 'di ba? Maraming or syempre sikat sila, so and then mas maraming mamimili doon, no? Kasi palagi siya nabebenta. So by doing this, less rules kasi hindi mo ibebenta ng buo, 'di ba? Hindi mo ibebenta yung package na 'yon. Bebenta mo lang yung mga sikat sa package or sa whole package. Less rules kasi hindi mo i-hire lahat eh. Okay, konti lang yung mga tao involved sa task na to. Specialized tasks. So for example, in SEO, may departments kami sa on-page, technical, content creation, and off-page. So specialized tasks, kung sino-sino lang yung need sa department, sila lang yung magtatrabaho, hindi lahat, no? And then nakatipid ka rin. Ayan, dito, reduce cost. Kasi specific task lang. Repetitive task, paulit-ulit, no? So, sir, ba't mo yan tinuturo? anong connect dito? Kasi guys, this is very important na at least sa mga bago lang na nakapanood or nakaalam about freelancing or how to make money online, at least you will have an idea. Kasi bago lang kayo, nagsisimula pa, may mga iba kasi kung kakilala na malaki na yung ulo kasi nga kumikita ng malaki, kasi nga matagal na sa industriya. Okay, so at least kayo guys, madali pa kayong mabago, or ano pa, bago lang, so wala pang idea masyado. So yeah, madali pang magbago. Okay, so it's better for me mas malaki yung kinikita namin for productization. Ayan, ito na yung model. Okay? So productization model, we have monthly payment, 'di ba? Like for example, social media manager ka, yan yung ibebenta mo every month, the whole package of social media. Where if we compare this to productization, no? Like pwedeng 5 posts a week. Tapos samahan mo diyan kasi sikat yung video creation, including the script. Yan yung sa productize Tapos posting na din. Yun lang. Okay? That's the productize. Hard to close kasi bibenta mo lahat eh. Like bibenta mo yung package. Okay? Bibenta mo yung package, mas mahirap siyang ibenta. Easy to close kasi focus lang sa specific na package, yung mga gusto lang talaga nila. Needs for people kasi maraming included sa package, 'di ba? So need mo maraming tao. Ito productization, work with small team, or kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, pwede 'yon. 'Di ba? This is also good for one-man team like you. Kasi alam mo mag-productize, no? Fourth, yeah, you can earn $1,000, but usually nakikita namin mas kumikita yung mga nagpa-productize eh. And focus lang talaga sa mga task na yon. Madaling matapos, madaling kang kikita, hindi siya monthly. Deliverable siya. And meron lang estimated na inclusions like 5 videos, 5 posting, and strategy din kasama na doon. But usually nakikita namin based on the experience as well, mas kumikita doon. So, ayun. Hard to upsell. Kasi nabenta mo na lahat eh, 'di ba? Nabenta mo na yung lahat ng isang service, lahat ng package na kasama, nabenta mo na. Whereas ito, hindi mo pa nabenta lahat. So, productize like 3 to 4 service na mas sikat, maraming bumibili. Pwede mong i-upsell yung buo, 'di ba? So, kumita ka uli. 'Di ba? That's how we do it. Okay? You can also follow that. So guys, if you have questions, drop it down lang din sa comment section natin kasi yan, I'm going to build or I'm going to share more value pa dito, no? Okay, so dito na sa pricing na tayo. So let's start with SEO kasi yan yung ginagawa namin, guys. Okay? This is for freelancers. We have hourly rate and monthly rates. So kung newbie ka, bago ka nagsisimula, 15 to 30 yan. Mid-level, 30 to 75 USD per hour. Lalo na kung maging magaling ka na talaga. So, abot yan ng $150 per hour. Diba? So ito, let's start with the basic, guys. No, basic calculation lang din to. So, let's say $15 times in a week, no? 'Di ba sa mga job sites or sa mga clients like they ask for 20 hours for example. 300. 20 hours lang 'yan, isang client lang 'to ha, times 4. 1,2 na. So meron ka ng lagpas sa goal natin ng $1,000. 'Di ba? So ano 'yun, $15. 20 hours a week lang 'yan, guys. Kumita ka na. Nasa beginner ka pa. Yan yung hourly rate. Monthly retainer, babayaran ka every month. Okay? Babayaran ka niya every month. So, for example, basic SEO package, like whole SEO package. Ito kasi is basic eh. So, kaya 300 to 700. Okay. Mapopromote ko din guys yung niche. So, tingnan niyo yung other video ko kasi importante din na mag-niche down tayo, like focus in one industry pwede din or generalist. Kung mag-generalist ka kasi marami kang competition, marami kang kaaway or hindi kaaway but marami kang competition online kasi you are doing everything. Whereas if you focus to an industry or a niche or you need to dive more deeper about your niche, like ito, pumasok kami sa SEO. Well, marami ding nag-SEO. But at least, konti lang. Kasi if general VA ka, nako, thousands of people yung masasagasaan mo. Marami kang kakompetensya. 'Di ba? Ano bang meron sa'yo? Ba't hindi ako sa iba, ba't sa'yo ako? 'Di ba? So, ibang ano na naman yun, ibang training na naman yun. So, focus to an SEO industry. Watch my other video, guys. Andun sa school. Monthly retainer for standard, pumasok na kung alam mo na yung SEO. By the way, I have send ko na lang later on. I have if you want to learn SEO, may training kami sa school. And I also have a checklist on how you can learn SEO in one sheet. If you want to learn SEO andun, i-share ko later on din guys sa inyo for free. Okay? Lalo na pag magaling ka na sa SEO or nag-niche down ka sa SEO. Kasi mataas yun guys. Now we're talking about one client pa dito. If you can get 2 clients, 3 clients, 4, nako, bang-usapan na yan. 'Di ba? Ayan. So, ganyan yung pwede nyo kitain guys. Okay? So, since we are not focusing to SEO, for me, they are 3 proven paths to your first 1,000. No? So, freelancing, I started in freelancing, guys. And sa Odesk. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa upwork.org, Di ko na nga alam to eh. Let's say for example sa sa marketing for example. Mga ano para dito, mga freelancer nagko-compete yan sila $25, $65. Paano ba? Ayan, browse for jobs. Recently posted. Ayan, sa free jobs. Let's say for example, hindi ko na alam ngayon eh. Like social media. Fix, wag tong mga ganito kasi baka mura lang yan. Hourly, merong hourly $30. No? So may opportunity ka pa talaga if you want to start now. Oops, hindi ko na talaga alam. Talent yan eh. Jobs. Try natin SEO. Ayan, 10 to 15 o 10 to 25. 'Di ba? 5 to 8. 5 to 50. Yan, $15 per hour. So, pwede dyan. So, pwede ka magsimula sa online jobs, Upwork, Facebook groups. Second, service-based, no? You can focus as well selling SEO services, VA, social media, ganun. Meron din mga data entry skills, guys. If you're a beginner, wala kang alam sa SEO, nahihirapan ka kumuha ng clients sa SEO kasi nga, beginner ka pa. Start ka muna ng data entry, no? And then, pag alam mo na yung data entry or basic sa VA, pwede ka nang mag-niche down, no? And then, where to start? Local clients, referrals. Pwede ka rin kukuha ng referrals or gagamitin mo cold outreach. Guys, hindi ko na to i-explain isa-isa kasi I have a different training. Tapos, iniisa-isa ko talaga to, how to do cold outreach, how to do cold emailing, how to get clients, how to make your first 500K, how to make your 1M. Ganon. So, check nyo yun. Punta kayo sa school, guys. Marami tayong i-add na mga trainings doon. So, abangan nyo lang. You can also install an app sa phone nyo. Digital products, no? Pwede din kayong magbenta ng, let's say, if you have ebooks or other friends na or kakilala na merong ebook or Canva templates or videos, pwede mo yun ibenta, yung mga digital products, yung mga downloadable. No? Punta kayo sa Etsy or Gumroad, pwede ninyong ibenta yung mga trainings na. Or pwede ka din gagawa ng sayo. So, ayun, freelancing, this is your first gig kasi dito din ako nagsimula before eh. Pwede yon. Okay, but maraming competition dito. So, meron akong isang replacement for freelancing. If nahirapan kang kumuha sa mga sites ng ganito, punta ka sa, school pa rin. Check mo yung other trainings ko doon. How to get clients on social media, no? How to optimize your profile, how to outreach someone on Facebook or LinkedIn, no? Again, if you're starting from scratch, nahihirapan ka mag-specialize, focus ka muna kung ano lang yung pwede or kung ano yung kaya mo. Data entry, research, transcriptionist, no? At chat support if okay naman yung English mo, ganon. Ayan, pwede ka magbenta ng SEO services for small businesses. Let's say for example, or let's say for example, nasa Pilipinas ka, meron kang friend dito sa Pilipinas din na gusto magkaroon ng profile or wala siyang website, gusto siyang mag-optimize ng GBP or mag-set up or gusto niya mag-show up sa Manila, pwede ka gagawa ng GBP or Google Business Profile, no? And then pwede mong sabihin siya na okay, mura lang to, 250 just for an expertise or just for review kasi yung goal ko magkaroon ng testimonial eh. So ibibigay ko lang to sa iyo ng 250. Yeah, for small businesses meaning they are startups, no, mga local business. So kung nasa Manila ka, if you have friends, pwede kang mag-register sa Google Business Profile and doon i-add mo yung business ng friend mo or colleagues mo, pabayad ka 250, pwede na 'yon. Kasi Manila lang naman, no. If international, diyan aabot sa 250 and above. Okay? Like this one. Hindi nyo ba nakikita yung okay. Binlock ko guys para hindi nyo makita yung client. Di nyo ba nakikita? Parang hindi. Alright, so yeah, example from Stripe, no? So for this client, 36 ago, 36, 37 minutes. So 250, 255, 255, 255, 350, 125, ganun. So pwede nyo din yung kitain, no? Alright, third, digital products or earn while you sleep, no? Again, pwede kang magbenta dito. Kahit anong trip mo, pwede ibenta basta legit or legal na downloadable. Courses, private label rights ng mga materials, no? Ayan, example, Canva planners, resume din, pwedeng magpagawa. Okay, ito din yung ginagawa namin ngayon, guys. Check niyo yung school on Monday kasi magda-download or mag-upload kami ng training about international dropshipping. If hindi nyo naman trip yung freelancing or agency build, digital marketing ng mga trabaho, mag-business na lang kayo if you have money naman, no? So kasi ito sa international dropshipping, gagawa ka ng store, magbebenta ka ng product sa ibang tao na hindi mo naman hawak physically, no? So yung mga products na gagaling sa AliExpress or CG dropshipping, pwede mo siyang mark up pa ng 2 times or 4 times. And then ibenta mo siya sa website mo or sa TikTok or sa Facebook ads, no? Pwede naman 'to, no need ka muna mag-hire ng VA if kaya pa naman, wala ka pang kinikita, ikaw lang muna. If your store is scaling, dun ka na mag-hire ng someone. Okay, guys? So ganyan yung pwede yung gagawin. And yeah, make money in affiliate marketing. Meron ding affiliate marketing, no? So pick a profitable niche. Kasi like for example, punta ka sa Amazon, Amazon affiliates, no? Ito, Amazon affiliate program. So ayan, punta ka dito, yan, no, follow mo, sign up, recommend, earn. Dito sign up ka. Tapos po-promote ka ng mga products. It's either ibenta mo yung anong trip mo, like anong niche or industry gusto mong magbenta, like health, fitness related, pets, clothing, accessories, pwede mong gawin 'yan, no? So, 'yan, Amazon affiliates. But dito gagawa ka ng content talaga just to promote the product. Or ito, yung sinabi ko kanina, punta ka dito sa AliExpress. So, ito yung dropshipping, ito yung number 4. Okay, punta ka dito, AliExpress, and then sign up. But here, guys, you need a website. Gagawa ka ng website, i-connect mo yung website mo to AliExpress para makaroon ka ng sarili mong store, and then i-mark up mo. So, kung yung industry na gusto mong ibenta is nasa home and garden, and then towel, okay, or bathroom, pwede mong ibenta lahat ng towel dito. Basta related lang sa sa bathroom, yung niche mo. Paper holder, hair towel, mat. Tingnan nyo na lang or watch nyo na lang, guys, sa Monday kasi plan namin ila-launch namin to sa Monday. Libre lang to, guys. Binibenta ko to dati pero ngayon nilibre ko. Okay? Free lang to. So join lang kayo doon. Affiliate marketing ito. So ngayon, guys, napakadali na talaga. Kasi we have an AI, 'di ba? We have AI, we have free tools na pwede natin gamitin, 'di ba? No need ka na mag-invest ng malaking pera just to start, 'di ba? Gawa ka ng Gmail like Kirk Roldan. Ako, meron akong email Kirk Roldan SEO kasi yan yung email ko, kasi yan yung name ko. Pwede din, 'di ba? Or your name tsaka industry, Kirk Roldan social media expert, Kirk Roldan SEO expert, ganun. Create ka ng Gmail mo. Kasi yung Gmail na yan yung gagamitin mo to send a resume, to send a proposal, 'di ba? Yan lang, diyan lang lahat ng files mo related sa document na yan. So Google Docs is very helpful and that's what we are using until now. Okay? Canva for design, 'di ba? Merong mga libre, meron silang mga promos. ChatGPT, Diyos ko po, dati, nako, ngayon, marunong na akong gumawa ng content with the help of ChatGPT. Dati, nako, napakahirap gumawa. Hindi talaga ako marunong gumawa ng content dati. That's my weakness. But then again, hindi ko naman siya need eh. So, ayun. Calendly, pwede kang gumawa ng account for free for a discovery call, communicating with your prospects, no? So yun guys, maraming tools na pwede mong gamitin. Depende sa anong need mo. Search mo na lang online or you can chat me for advice. Alright, ito, my advice to everyone here, wake up early and build a morning routine. But anong included diyan? Anong kasama to sa sa how to make $1,000? For me guys, it started when you wake up. Hindi yung gabi kasi pag gabi matutulog tayo, 'di ba? So you need to sleep early. So para ka makapag-wake up ng early. So I have a morning routine na ginagawa every single day, guys, no? So ito, pakita ko lang. So, by the way, you can also follow me kasi itong the orange guy sa page please. Kasi magpapublish ako dito ng content every day. So ito yung binibuild ko ngayon. And yeah, ito nag-post ako kanina. Ito, my 5 a.m. daily morning routine. So gumigising ako ng 5 a.m. every single day. No, so I have 20-20-20 rule. No? So ano ba 'yan 20-20? 20 minutes for myself. No, I do meditate. Every single day 'yan. No, sometimes nadi-delay pero consistent talaga ako sa 5 a.m. Depende din kung anong oras ang tulog ko. Sometimes 5:20 ako nagising, but then again, I'll still follow the 20-20-20 rule. So 20 minutes for meditation, 24 minutes of movement, 20 minutes of self-mastery. So I follow that every day and it works, guys. Kasi sa umaga na 'yan, 'di ba? If you're still studying or if you're studying sa college, kapag nagising ka ng madaling araw, 'di ba? Tapos nag-aaral ka, pasok lahat sa ulo mo, 'di ba? Wala pang mga noise, wala pang mga hindi ka pa nag-iisip ng kahit ng wala pang disturbance. So, napakabilis mag-isip ng umaga. So, that time I wake up, meditation, kasi marami kasing mga ideas, downloads, tinatawag ko siyang downloads na nakukuha ko that time eh. Ideas to make my company grow, ideas sa self ko, no? Sa meditation, and it start there. Tapos self-mastery or movement, nagja-jog. So physically fit ka rin. Hindi lang sa meditation but also physically fit ka rin. Then lastly, self-mastery. So you need to give time to yourself. You need to, you need to learn. Like I right now I subscribe to Mind Valley. So every day nagle-learn ako, no? Hindi lang 20 minutes but more than or almost 2 hours din every day. So ito lang for 5 p.m. if you don't have time talaga. But 20 minutes of self-mastery like reading, reflect, no? Pwede ka ring mag-journal if you want. So ayun, na motivation, ganun. Marami akong tiniting or pinapanood dun sa Mind Valley, guys. Very helpful for me. So it start from there, no? 5 a.m. So yung nakakatulong din yon. You need to have a good mindset where you can start your day. Yun, i-mindset mo siya, no? I-start mo yung day na ganun yung mindset mo. Second, prioritize yourself. So hindi na naman to connected dun sa kasi yung iba naiisip nila yung gagawin mo to make money ng $1,000 is to apply for a job, is to talk to somebody na naghahanap ng workmate or ng opportunity. Hindi lang 'yun. Okay? Hindi lang 'yun, guys, okay? You will also take care of yourself kasi if you take care of yourself, follow 'yun eh. But you will also still need to apply, 'di ba? Apply what you learn from here. So prioritize yourself first and do what I shared here. So I'm sure, no, fa-follow din yung success mo. Nako, believe me. I'm doing that every day and it works. Stay consistent. Think about long term. Hindi lang to 1 year kasi you invested your time and effort tapos after a year magsa-stop ka. Huwag ganon. Okay? Think about 20 years kung yung goal mo 20 years. Pero 20 years, wag siguro marami ka ng business that time. Pwede mong i-stop ang pag-freelancing mo. Like what I'm doing before, I was a freelancer and then I stopped because I can't handle having multiple clients. So I build my agency. Yeah, sila na yung gumagawa ng mga task ko for me but akala ko nakatakas na ako sa ano na yun kasi starting pa pala yun kasi being an agency owner mas mahirap siya kaysa sa freelancer, no? But yeah, I have a lot of plans for that why I'm building an agency to help my Surigaonon people, friends and also mga taong naniniwala sa amin. So we need to do it. Don't rely on motivation, build discipline. Okay, kahit walang motivation guys, araw 'di ba nagko-consistent ka 5 AM wake up if you can do that, no meditation, do it every day for 66 days kasi they have a study that if you will do it continuously for 66 days, mababago yung routine mo, mababago yung pattern mo. Okay, so without motivation after 66 days, meron ka ng self-discipline. So kapag wake up ka bukas, parang naro-routine na siya. Dati wala akong alarm clock pero nauna pa ako sa alarm clock. Sometimes 4:59, sometimes 4:50, 4:44, 4:30. Kasi discipline na din yung body mo. Okay? Fail forward. If you fail all the time, it's okay. Ibig sabihin nun, mas tumataas yung way mo or yung daanan mo to get the result, to get the sales that you are looking for. Okay lang mag-fail ka, that's okay. Ibig sabihin malapit ka na, 'di ba? Kasi kung hindi ka naman na-fail, ano yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? So, nagsa-start ka lang, hindi ka nagfo-full blast. And lastly, have a mentor. Yung mentor na hindi ka iiwan kasi yung mga mentor na yun na failed na before. Na failed na yun ilang beses na. So if you have someone na nagtuturo sa iyo, follow what they are doing. Okay? Right now I still invested in self-development. Okay? I still invested in SEO training. I still invested in leadership. Sa katunayan nga, 2 days ago kakabayad ko lang sa isang strength coach, no, na magtutulong or tutulong sa amin to improve the company pa. Grabe coach, marami ka ng tao, you're still paying someone. Yes, it's very important. You need someone kasi alam na nila yung ginagawa nila. Ba't ka mag-fail pa ng ganun if na-fail na sila, di ba? So, hindi ka nadadaan doon, di ba? Have a mentor like what we are doing right now, no? So, yeah, join the community, the school community, guys. Maraming magtuturo sa'yo doon kasi yung goal ko is maraming maglalagay ng courses doon or training. And then you can ask questions and the good thing it's free, ma-add mo siya sa phone mo. So, yeah, do it guys. It's very important. Yan no, si Coach Gwen. Yan, si Coach Gwen. Napakagaling din yan. So, yeah, follow niyo yung mga taong ganyan kasi para matulungan kayo sa business nyo. So I guess that would be all guys kasi hindi ko na to isa-isahin. Marami kasi akong training. If isa-isahin ko pa, what's the point of me adding course sa community? So yan kasi yung topic din natin how to get your first $1,000. And then pinakita ko na sa inyo like yung ginawa ko I build a package for SEO and then nagka-clients kami. So it's more than $1,000, di ba? So ayun, walang secret, consistency, do it lang all the time. If you fail, that's okay. Just do it, improve, do it again. Ganun. So yeah, that would be all, guys. Punta kayo dito sa School of Prophets.academy if you want to learn more. Yeah, bukas Sabado. Yeah, magla-live din ako bukas. So expect my live tomorrow. So I guess that would be all. Coach Gwen, thank you so much for allowing me to share in your community. And I hope you learned from, or the community learned from me tonight. So thank you so much. No, manood kayo guys ng mga trainings natin. Ayun. Thank you so much, Coach Gwen.
Ayan. So again, thank you so much, Sir Kirk. Okay. So guys, sa mga may natutunan, yan, mag-thank you naman tayo sa comment section. Yan. Thank you so much, Sir Kirk. So sabi ni Annie, sabi ni Kyla. Yan. So ito yung mga kumbaga nasa community din natin that they want to learn kasi nga na-share ko din Sir Kirk 'di ba kanina yung really impact no lalo na how I see people now changing kumbaga talagang gumaganda yung buhay nila because they learn how to make money online. So guys, I think siguro Sir Kirk, meron tayong few minutes for one or two questions. So guys, kung meron
Sige
kayong
po.
question, yan drop it below. Ayan. So, para ma-answer natin habang nandito si Sir Kirk. No? Pero before, habang nagta-type ng questions, Sir Kirk, yung mga nanonood sa atin. No? So, ako gusto ko i-share yung sobrang agree ako sa mga sinabi mo. No? I think first of talagang oo ka ng oo kanina. No? Nasa backstage lang eh. No? Pero it's when you are trying to really start a business or start something, napaka-importante nung think long term and consistency. No, kasi I know sa panahon ngayon, 'di ba, with for sure baka yung mga nanonood din sa atin, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina baka may mga kilala kayo na mga nagfi-freelance, ganyan. Syempre pa nagpo-post or mga kahit hindi nagfi-freelance, mga friends natin na, "Uy, may bagong kotse, may bagong bahay," ganyan ganyan. So, parang tayo we feel pressured no, na kailangan bilisan natin lahat. So, kaya sometimes if we engage in one thing, it didn't work, we switch to the next one and then we switch to the next one until
Totoo.
feeling mo ngayon failure ka. No, pero
Yes.
actually hindi, 'di ba? It's just that there's a sabi nga ng mentor ko din, there's power in staying because in staying,
Totoo.
thinking long term, you become an expert, no? And you get the experience. 'Di ba? Tama ba
Totoo.
ano, Sir Kirk?
Totoo. So yeah, that's true. So nagfi-fail ka, and for me that's okay kasi yung failure mo lang naman doon is if hindi ka nagcha-change ng strategy, 'di ba? Nagfi-fail
Hmm,
ka, so meaning may mga mali sa ginawa mo. But if you change the
mm.
strategy and still do it consistently, and I'm sure makukuha mo talaga yung gusto mong makuha.
Yeah.
Depende din 'yon kasi kung gusto mong magkaroon ng 10 million in just 1 year, tapos wala ka talagang knowledge, you don't know how to start, napakahirap din, 'di ba?
Mm.
Hindi din siya ano, relatable 'pag gano'n. But if you do it consistently and then start somewhere, so in the long run ma-achieve mo din siya.
Yes, so very, very important nun. Ayan, so I think dito sa Sir Kirk, no, may question. Since nabanggit mo, no, na you are also building an agency. And for, ang tanong kasi dito is, kailangan po ba 'pag nag-online business ka or freelancer, yun ba yung end goal? Parang kasi yung iba daw hindi sila sure if agency building is also for them. So the question is agency building for everyone?
For me, no, hindi siya for everyone kasi iba-iba
Hmm,
yung trip natin, eh. Like may mga
mm.
kakilala kasi ako na successful na sa freelancer but hindi sila makapag-scale, 'no? Yeah, ito talaga, meron ko talagang kaibigan na
Hmm.
ano, ayoko lang banggitin baka sabihin niya nilaglag mo ko.
Oo,
We are doing freelancing, nauna pa siya sa'kin, okey?
okey.
Hanggang ngayon ginagawa pa rin niya yung ginagawa niya dati. Sabi ko,
Oh, oo.
"Bro, ano, kaibigan tayo. If you have problem or if you want to scale, let me know." Pero he is still doing that until now. Walang problem sa gano'n, ha, kasi baka kasi
Mm,
gusto niya lang dun, eh. He want to stop, doing other people. Baka kasi may maraming problem yan. Like, hindi niya naman gusto, natatakot siya mag-scale, di ba? So, hindi to para sa lahat. If para to sa'yo, no? So, if para to sa'yo, you need to do it talaga. And, marami kasing, iba na kasi yung life mo kung freelancer ka tsaka agency owner. Iba na yung mga priority, iba na yung gagawin, yung expectation, yung result. Kasi sa agency, marami ka ng babayarang tao, hindi lang ikaw, di ba? Dati yan din yung mindset ko, Miss Gwen. Kasi, before, no, as a freelance, ayaw kong mag-hire ng someone. Kasi imagine, if mag-hire ka ng isang tao, yung binabayad sa'yo, napupunta pa sa iba. How about ako na lang? Ako na lang magtrabaho kasi sayang yung pera na yun. Yan yung mindset ko dati, nasasayangan ako. Pero that's a mistake. Bakit? Kasi kung i-outsource mo yung mga ginagawa mo sa ibang tao, bale, ikaw, nasa-save ka. Nasa-save ka sa mga busy line. And then, the good thing there is nakapag-focus ka kung ano talaga yung dapat or mas mataas sa ginagawa mo kaysa doing SEO, 20 or like 16 hours a day ka nag-SEO, but then again, hindi mo yun gagawin, i-outsource mo yun, tapos focus ka on getting clients. 'Di ba? So mas efficient sa. Kasi marami din ako kilala napakagaling sa SEO pero hindi sila makapag-client sa agency kasi magaling lang sila sa SEO. And there's no problem there. There's no problem there. Hindi lang talaga siguro niya kino-continue yung ginagawa niya. That's why hindi siya para doon. So yeah, to make it short, it's up to you. It's up to you, no, if you want pasukin yung agency, but for me, this is my path. This is my path.
Nice. And I agree doon no, na hindi naman talaga para sa lahat ng pagiging business owner. Minsan din kasi Sir Kirk, 'di ba, parang I forgot the word. Parang bang gino-glorify ba yung word? For sure, that's not the term. Pero yung pagiging business owner na parang this is the epitome of success. Pero ako din, I watch a lot of CEO podcasts, mga videos nila. And really, no, iba. So if you really want to be a CEO, kailangan you have to be the hardest worker. Sabi nga ni Gary Vaynerchuk, you have to be the hardest worker in the business. No, kasi that's your business. Ganyan. Yes. So iba-iba din talaga, no. And think last na lang na question dito, meron ding question sa akin dito, Sir Kirk, no. So sa tingin mo in your experience, no, may mga nag-start at the same time, baka din may na-experience kayo mga, syempre from corporate, baka nag-freelance, and then they went back to corporate kasi hindi nila kinaya yung freelancing world. Ano sa tingin mo yung when that happens, parang ano yung na-experience or na-observe mong mistake? No, kasi when people say, ako gusto ko na talaga to have my own time, to have my own set of clients, but then it doesn't transpire to what they want it to be. So, yun, parang they go back to
Yeah, it's relatable po sa actually nangyayari ngayon. Kasi, meron kami mga staff before, no, dito sa company namin that they want to, gusto lang nila ma-experience yung pagiging VA sa company namin para makapaghanap ng mas malaking sweldo. Bale, ginawa kang learning hub. Tapos, once na nalaman nila kung paano yung proseso, aalis sa'yo, tapos gagawa ng, magsasarili siya, mag-apply sa ibang job. That is okay, walang problema doon. But yung question ko sa'yo, are you equipped enough? Kasi, pag nagsusolo ka, ibang level na yun eh. Kasi, kukuha ka ng client, aaralin mo to, no? Yung in-example ko kanina, yung isa kong kaibigan na nag-stop lang siya, binigyan ko lahat eh. Binigay ko na lahat. Yun nga, nag-stop pa nga eh. Binigyan ko lahat. How much more ikaw na you learn this craft and then you stop kasi akala mo okay na yun. Hindi, napakahirap. Hindi yung skills yung napakahirap on how to like do SEO, on how to do social media. Yung mas mahirap pa yung paghahanap ng client kasi at the end of the day, yung goal mo is to get client. If wala ka nun, in the long run, magsa-stop ka rin. That's one of the problem why why a lot of people stop kasi they don't know how to get clients. Yun yung pinaka-importante.
Mm.
So yung iba, so yeah, I suggest start muna kayo like this one, no? Like sa amin, mag-join kayo sa agency, bahala hindi ganun kalaki yung salary. At least meron kang monthly talaga na sahod na ini-expect mo. Aralin mo
Yes.
'yan, hindi lang yung 3 months or 6 months tapos aalis ka na dito. This is my suggestion to you sa
Mhm.
mga nanonood na like staff namin, 'di ba? If ever andito ka man. So learn from that 3 years, 4 years, 5 years muna before ka aalis. That's my tip to you, okay?
Mhm.
Wag yung 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year kasi kulang pa yon.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi yung mga staff kasi namin dito, tinuturo namin sa kanila on how to do the skills, how to do SEO,
Mm.
specialized siya for one department, ganun. Pero bakit namin ituturo yung how to get clients? Hindi mo naman rule yon. So, napakahirap yung part na yon. Kasi kung nagsasarili ka, ikaw nang bahala sa lahat ng trip mo, 'di ba?
Mm.
Napakahirap makipag-usap ng tao, like doing discovery call, applying for a job,
Mm.
competing with other freelancers, thousands of freelancers. Napakahirap, no? So, I suggest pasok muna kayo as a corporate kahit hindi man yan gaano kalaki. Like what I've said earlier, sinabihan ko yung first prospect ko na kahit walang salary, gusto ko lang matuto. But the
Yeah.
good thing, binigyan niya ako ng $1 per hour. And that time is the goal is to make
Mm.
money, bit mali yun. So that was
Mm.
my mistake as well.
Ang galing, no? So, ang ganda nung shinare mo, and super agree ako doon, Sir Kirk, no, na talagang, yun nga, hone your skills and
Yes.
patience talaga, no? Patience.
Totoo.
Kasi the moment din na mas, kumbaga, you have the skill. And totoo yung sinabi mo, mahirap mag-isa. No,
Mm.
I've mentioned I have a lot of freelancing clients from corporate switching to freelance. They have a great income. Now, yung Ma'am Gwen, parang I feel so alone. Sabi niya, "Oh, sumali ka sa mga ganito, ganyan." So,
Mm.
that's good ngayon na I can also send them, no? Ayan, kay Sir Kirk, School of Profits.
Mm.
Kasi, guys, it's good na we're earning money, no? But of course, kailangan okay pa din yung social life natin, yung mental,
Yes.
natin, mental health, physical health,
Totoo.
ganyan, no? So, ayan. So, again, Sir Kirk, thank you so much. Ang dami kong natutunan. For sure, yung mga nanonood din sa atin, no? And yung mga manonood pa kasi i-share natin to sa
Yes.
YouTube and sa other platforms, no? And last na lang, Sir Kirk, no? If you have, ayan, message sa mga viewers natin and also where they can find you and how they can connect with you.
Yes, thank you for that again, Miss Gwen. So, yeah, follow nyo guys yung follow nyo yung training kanina, napaka-basic lang yun but that is very important. Doon ka magsimula, no? Tapos watch the other videos that I have kasi andun sinabi ko na din karamihan yung mga trainings, mga tips, motivation. And then, yeah, sa mga bagong freelancers lang or nagbabalak na papasok sa industry na to, you need to do it talaga. Just do it. Yung sa Nike, 'di ba? Just do it. Totoo 'yan. Kasi honestly, nangyari din to sa akin. I expect something na baka mahirap. Sometimes kasi mayroon pa ring mga ganun na nangyayari like um nahihirapan ako ganun. So dati I don't do it kasi mahirap. Tapos I don't show up kasi baka ganito mangyari, baka ganyan. So dinidelay, 'di ba? Pero one of the solution lang pala doon is to show up. Magpakita ka.
Mm.
Kasi na-realize ko din noon, ay napaka-easy lang pala, no? Hindi naman pala mahirap. So for me, importante show up every day, no? If you're a freelancer, just show up. Show up and then do it consistently. Do it fast.
Mhm.
Yeah, tapos guys, if you are interested to learn more, punta kayo dun sa School of Profits Academy. Marami tayong i-share na mga value doon kasi yeah, goal is to parang value na lang talaga sa mga Pilipino. Hindi ko na nasabi again basta yung sinabi ko sa inyo na yung ginagawa ko ngayon is pure value na lang kasi I've been teaching a lot of people now already sa international. So right now gusto ko naman mag-focus dito sa Pilipinas where dito sana,
Mm.
'di ba? But andun pa ako sa international. So yun yung mga i-share ko sa inyo 15 years of failures. Hindi lang 15 years but a lot of weeks or months or even years of failures, no, na i-share ko dito hanggang sa naging success from those failures. So abangan nyo guys, no? Meron akong live pala bukas. Manood kayo. Punta kayo sa School of Prophets. Thank you so much, Coach Gwen, and also everyone who's joining here and listening. Thank you.
Ayan. So again, thank you so much, Sir Kirk, no? And guys, again, sobra yung value tonight na binigay ni Sir Kirk. So, and dinatag niya na lahat, no? How you can start making your first $1,000, no, by earning online. So, and follow, next steps na lang is go to School of Profits. Yan, join their group. And nandun na for sure yung mga videos, step by step, papanoorin nyo na lang. And then connect with Sir Kirk, no? Follow his Facebook, ililink din natin yan below para then you can get support, no? Kasi nga this is a journey and syempre kung mas gusto natin malayo marating natin, we do it together.
Yes.
Ayan. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching and ayan, thank you so much daw Sir Kirk, no? Again, and
Thank you
if
as
you
well.
like, yeah, if you like more of these videos, you can also no, connect with me. I also have my YouTube, no? So that's Gwen Salmore. Ipopost din natin to doon. And also post videos, no? Every week for more finance contents then. And
Yun.
ayan. So I hope, Sir Kirk, no, this is not the last time that we will meet, no? So for more, collaborations. Ayan. So again, thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you so much,
everyone.
Coach Gwen. Thank you
Thank you.
everyone for
Thank
watching.
you.
Ingat po.
Bye-bye.
Yun.